Hello and welcome back to hardreset.info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your fast charging not working on Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro. Let's begin. Before I will show anything technical here, you simply want to make sure that your cable and the charger are not damaged and that they are compatible with your current device. This is some very basic things, but you will be surprised by how much it really does. Then we also have the simple cleaning of your charging port. The charging port can be found here at the bottom and it has to be cleaned sometimes. Usually you don't want to do it using anything metal since you want to destroy and damage your port, but don't worry about that, there are other tutorials on how to clean the port exactly. Now after you've done that, you simply want to make sure that you have fast charging enabled. Now in order to enable fast charging, all you want to do is simply go to battery, and if we go here we have charging settings, and in the charging settings we have fast charging currently enabled. If you have disabled, then fast charging will simply not work. So let's simply enable it. And then lastly, you want to simply test it with another charger if maybe your charger is the issue, since usually chargers are only locked to a certain number of watts that they can transfer. If your charger has less, then the fast charging may not even activate itself, which is pretty unfortunate. And lastly, like I always say, you want to simply restart your phone, since restarting your phone really restarts everything else, including sensors, including hardware, including the ports even, so it's pretty cool to just restart your phone once in a while. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.